happens.
We're on.
Okay. Hola amigos míos, aquí estamos en Barcelona. We're here with our friend Tiffany at Park Square Homes, and we are going to be walking through the Barcelona model. She's going to tell us a little bit about starting prices and these types of things, any special incentives they have, and then we're just going to walk through it and see what it is. The reason we decided to come to this community is we had a customer buy in here last year. We went through the construction process, and we feel that this is a great product. They build a good quality home, and so we want to showcase what they have remaining here in this community.
Well, thank you. Nothing like being put on the spot, but we're glad that you're here. Actually, perfect timing. We're starting our sales event, Homes Where the Heart Is, and we will be offering some great incentives throughout all of our communities. But here at Wyndham Preserve, we've got a variety of inventory as well as to-be-built options where you can customize the home for your choice. And we are offering the up to $14,500 in upgrades for your dream kitchen. So definitely reach out to learn more about this. But let's go see the Barcelona.
Yeah.
What's up, Javi?
So,
Thanks for checking in.
one of the things that I wanted to ask you, so you're in the closeout phase.
Yes.
How many remaining homes are there?
At this time, we have 11.
11. Time is running out, my friends. Okay.
Ooh, wow.
So,
And we're located here in Sanford, right off of
East Lake Mary Boulevard.
Boulevard. Yep. Okay.
Excellent proximity to 417 to get to downtown, close to Lake Mary.
Right.
Everything
The
you need.
beaches.
The beaches.
Yeah, the
Beaches.
So if you're looking for an easy way to get into a new construction home, that's how we ended up in this community last year, is that they're very reasonably priced compared to the competition, and they put together a really good product. So as you can see, I mean, they go all out in their models. This is beautiful floors, absolutely beautiful.
So this model is actually available for purchase. So if you're looking for something that's upgraded, gorgeous view, relatively soon to be able to move in, this home is available. Or we also have an option that you could customize and choose your own options.
So this is the
So this is a
office?
4-bedroom, 3-bath.
Okay.
This particular setup is with the office.
Okay, so they turned the bedroom into an office.
Which we still keep the walk-in closet, but you'd have a double door entry here. And then downstairs you also have a full bath.
What's up, Javi? Javi, man, you're our biggest fan. I appreciate it, buddy. I really do. Oh, that's beautiful tile.
Very nice.
Do you have any idea how many what's the dollar amount of the upgrades in this thing? Like crazy.
It's generously upgraded.
It's well appointed.
Well appointed, that's what I wanted to say. But this laundry room always gets a lot of attention.
Yeah. I mean, this is serious. You could, plenty of space. You know, I have several kids, as our fans know. And we can have all kinds of laundry going on here. I could have 3 kids folding their laundry in here at once.
We're on a kids factory.
I have 6. We'll see.
Children, wow.
So we got a little.
Storage closet under the stairs.
Don't want to waste space.
Covered lanai included. So all of the plans that we are offering at this time have it included covered lanai. We do the brick paver, patio here, as well as the garage and the front entry.
Yeah. I'm a fan of the covered lanai. Sometimes you see, you know, because a lot of places you go, it's like $10, $15, $25, $35,000 to add a covered lanai. So that's really great that they're included right now. And I feel like homes that have them sell better than homes that don't have them. So when you're looking to the resale, that's something to take into consideration. But I really like this open concept. I mean, this is absolutely gorgeous. What, the kids are eating over here? Maybe they're playing some rummy or some dominoes. I can keep an eye on them.
Dominoes, what are they? 50? 60?
What, young people don't play dominoes? We play dominoes.
No, that's not a thing anymore.
I love some Mexican train dominoes. It's one of my favorite things to do with the kids. We have double 15. One single game takes like 4 hours. It's absolutely crazy. But it's such a good time with the family. It keeps them occupied. You can have a conversation. I don't know why you would be against the dominoes.
If you're my kids, you're making slime. And I've got trash bags down so you don't damage the furniture.
Yeah, see.
At least here you could monitor what's
thought-
going on,
You
right?
thought about it.
No,
Yeah.
no slime in my house. That's asking for trouble. That's asking for trouble.
All right, you want to go upstairs?
Yeah, I mean, I really like this.
9 feet 4 inch ceiling height on the first floor is standard, and 9 feet on the second floor. So you don't need to upgrade your ceiling heights to get this look.
I love it. That's a lot. So we get a lanai. We get 9'4" ceilings downstairs and 9-foot ceilings upstairs, all included.
And some papers sometimes.
And the pavers, absolutely. Can't leave the pavers out.
I really like this
I'm
rail
assuming
here.
that this handrail is an upgrade.
It is, yes.
The arm and the leg upgrade, or?
If you take a left, you'll see the master suite.
No, I think we should leave the master suite for last. I mean, that thing looks out of control. Absolutely fine.
Okay.
Fabulous.
Save the best for last.
Yeah, that's what I like to do. So we got this beautiful loft, these windows,
Standard.
standard. Nice natural light in there. Put a little, oh, I like your painting. Yeah, that really softens it up. I like it. Okay. And so over here we have 2 bedrooms and a bathroom. Let's take a look. Let's see if this is a good sized room. This is definitely a queen size bed. We got the dresser and the end table in here, and the closet. We got everything we need. I like it. I think I'd opt for a ceiling fan. I'd opt for a ceiling fan.
And you're pre-wired for one.
Pre-wired for the ceiling fan. Perfect. Yeah, that's normal. And then here's bedroom number 2. Good.
Does it come with the furniture?
You could certainly purchase the furniture included, yes.
If you purchase the model.
Yes.
Right. Okay. I mean, someone has some good taste. Did they let you make any of these choices?
No, they
No,
did not.
they did not. That's good. What about this glass upgrade?
This particular shower
Yeah.
is, the tile is upgraded, but the bypass door is included with this layout
With
because
this.
they've done the stand-up shower upstairs.
Okay, good. So if you opt for the stand-up shower instead of the tub, you get the enclosure.
That's
Okay.
correct.
Now let's look at this thing. It's a nursery. I love it. I can put a crib in here, plenty of space for my clothes. If you need more than 4 bedrooms, you just pop a kid in here, right? This thing is huge. I love it. Let's check out this master. Oh man. Like here's what I really like is it's what 2 o'clock and it's super bright in here.
Mm-hmm.
Like
Lots
this
of
is
nice
yeah,
windows.
and we're dealing with low E,
Yes.
double pane.
Double paned.
Yeah,
Aluminum.
aluminum. Aluminum is sturdy. Tray ceiling.
Tray ceiling is an upgrade.
Upgrade.
Of
Perfect.
course, with the model, we've added in some of the molding.
Right.
And
That
you've got a
happens.
gorgeous view from this location.
Yeah, Mario, did you get this? I think there's 3 ponds.
I see 2 of them,
So
so.
2 here, and then we've got
One
another
in the
one
back?
towards the back of the community.
And the pool is going to be how far from the model?
Few blocks, definitely walking distance. Mhm.
Is it towards the middle of the community?
It is.
Yeah, that's a smart place to put it right in the middle. All right, let's check out this master bath. Ooh, yes. Yes. Are there any upgrades in, I mean, obviously the stuff is upgraded, but the layout is
The
it
layout
upgraded?
is standard. So
Okay.
this particular model includes the tub and
Yeah.
the shower, and then the split vanity, which is excellent.
And does, I mean, I don't know about you guys. Well, you can ask me. First of all, I live in a house built in 1957. Okay, so we only had one little sink like this big. But I need to know from our fans out there, does anybody get into fights with their spouse if they have, let's say they even share a double vanity that is, you know, it's 2, but there's 2 of you in the same area. This has his and hers on opposite sides. Mario, what's it like in your house? How's that double vanity? Is there any encroachment by either you or her?
Oh, yeah, totally.
Yeah, there's some encroachment.
Yeah.
No encroachment over
She
here.
frequents my side.
She frequents. Oh man, she's gonna kill me for bringing it up, isn't she? Awesome. Well, listen, I mean, this is a beautiful model. What's the starting price? Did we go over that yet?
So starting price for the the Barcelona
Right.
is 329.90 base, and I have one that's being built on one of our 60-foot wide home sites towards the back of the community, where you'd be able to select all your interior finishes, cabinets, flooring, things like that.
Okay.
And then this particular one is available as well for
Perfect.
408 to 10.
410 for the all out, every upgrade you could possibly
Exactly,
imagine.
and the view.
And the view, of course. So I'm gonna ask you two more questions.
Okay.
What is your least expensive home available? And then I'm gonna ask you, what is your favorite model that you guys have?
Oh, that's tough. Okay.
Yeah.
So least expensive, we do have a Margate, which is 1966 square feet,
All one level.
all one level, 3-bedroom, 2-bath with a study. And this particular home would be to be built, so still has the opportunity to add in your upgraded features, cabinet color, things like that, take advantage of the sales event. That particular one, currently as it's starting with some of the structurals already selected, is $299,171.
So under 300.
Under 300.
New construction,
New construction.
under 300. You better come, give me a call. Let's come and visit my friend Tiffany and let's make some things happen. Thanks guys for checking us out. Please let us know if you have any
Would you
questions.
give Tiffany the chance to say what's her favorite?
Oh my gosh, I'm sorry. You're right. What's your
It's
favorite?
hard to choose.
Yeah.
Well, my favorite's actually the Pensacola, which unfortunately we don't have right here in the model homes to view. But we do have one being built where you can customize and choose your dream kitchen upgrades. And it also has a master on the first floor. That one's 2,570 square feet.
It's big.
It's a nice size home.
I love it.
4-bedroom, 3.5 bath with a loft and a flex room. Has a lot to offer. Covered lanai included. And that particular home without interior upgrades is starting at $333,520.
That's still reasonable. I like it. Come check these out. I'm the kind of guy where I love everything on one level, so I'm going to be checking out the Margate. I'm going to look at the floor plan downstairs when we go back in. And if you guys have any questions, let us know in the comments. We appreciate you tuning in. You guys have a great day.
Thank you for coming.